Pastor, our first honors, will deliver his words of appreciation.
Sister Maria Charita Picabuno, RBM School President, Mrs. Teresa Emma Dalo, Grade School Principal, RBM Sisters, teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today indeed is a very significant day for all of us kindergarten. For today, we reap the fruit of what we sowed this past 2 years. We have learned how to write and spell our name, sound out the ABC, count numbers, sing, dance, recite, and so much more. We have learned how to follow rules inside and outside the classroom. And for this, thank you, dear sisters and teachers, for sharing to us the values of faith, excellence, and service, the values of our Mother Congress, Mother Ignacia del Espiritu Santo. Thank you, Papa and Mama, for loving and taking care of us, and for sending us to Pilar College, and most of all to God, for always blessing us. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Matt Gabriel. And now let us once again welcome the graduates as they sing their graduation song.